Hi all, it's a beautiful morning here in Sydney, and I thought that I'd use this opportunity to make a little video and talk about one of the latest features to the document sharing app. Now, I last spoke about the document sharing app in November last year, and since then I've added a major feature to it. So, let's talk about the let's talk about what it is. Actually, before I do that, maybe it would be a good idea to give you a refresher on what the document sharing app is. Now, the document sharing app is a one of my personal projects, and it's a full stack web app built with Spring Boot with the backend for the backend, and it uses React.js for the front end, and the entire stack is on AWS. So that means that it's being hosted, it's being used. It uses DynamoDB for as a database, and it uses S3 as object storage. And being on GitHub, it means that you can actually look at all the details of how I've done some of the things. You can look at the code for how I've accomplished certain things. So it's a public GitHub repository, so it's entirely open source up to this point. All right. So one of the latest features that I've added to this app is the ability for the users to schedule when they want to share the document. Now, the share document feature has always been on this app where the use well after you upload the document, you can go in and you can share with a particular email address. I mean, you can share with who you want to share with via through their email address. Now, the schedule share features, what that does is, say you upload that document today and you want that document to be shared 5 days from today with someone through their email address, you can actually schedule that. So when you look at all the documents that you've uploaded, in addition to view, download, share, and sorry, in addition to delete, download, share, you now have a schedule button where you can um, where once you click that, you'll be greeted with a dialog box where you can actually select the email address that you want to share with, as well as the date when you want to share it. So on that day, that email address will receive an email with the document as an attachment saying that it's been shared by you. So yeah, that's one of the latest features that I've added to it, and for you to be able to use it, I will include a link in the description of this video so you can check it out. Now, as I said, this is completely open source and it's a one developer effort. It's just me. So yeah, it's been fun. So if there's any help that you can provide in terms of I don't know, forking the repository and then doing one of the fixes that you think is appropriate, that's always welcome. In addition to that, also any sort of feedback would be appreciated. Having said that, the last time I shared this, I did receive some feedback, and I'm still working through it. So if you can share any feedback, I'd appreciate it. If you cannot, that's okay too. I thank you for checking it out anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've had to say for this, and I wish you all well and happy 2025. Happy New Year. Live long and prosper.